What is going on, y'all? It's 2024 and this is our first trip of the year. Whoa! I have not been in this truck for a whole week. I ended up taking the whole week off. Matter of fact, I think I took off 2 weeks. No, I took off 1 week. But anyways, time to see if she starts. But before that, we need to check all our levels and make sure that we're good because it has been sitting for a little bit. Oh no, come on. Oh, come on. So it's not starting, and I even turned the little battery thing off so it doesn't do this. I guess it doesn't work that well. Let's try it again. Almost. Come on, baby. Let's fix it. All right, so here's a solution for our setup. Pickup truck. Just needs a little bit extra juice until it starts, and then these things will charge up right away. I don't want to do the reefer batteries because taking out the whole catwalk is gonna be a pain in the butt. Let's see, is it gonna show anything? Man, think about these straight. Oh yeah, look at that, we're in 12.1. All right, let's try this. Yeah, boys. Let's go. Now we're gonna make sure this thing doesn't cut off and that these batteries can charge properly. So, all right, we're good. Whew. Let's get to that pickup. I'll see you there. We're looking good. Let's G, because we're running late. We made it to our pickup. We're here at QT Corporation. They literally got only one dock that they're working out of. So we gotta wait for this guy to get loaded. And then we got a guy right there in a box truck across the street with 2 pallets. And then it's us, and we're getting a full trailer. I hope the stuff fits in a reefer. It looks like it's more for a dry load, dry van type of deal, but there's no way I can make this turn on the side of the street that I'm in. So we're gonna have to go here, let me show you. We have to probably go down that street right there, back up and come back and put ourselves on the right side. We're just gonna chill, we're just gonna wait. Docks like this, tight street, man, not fun at all. All right, let's try to get it in one shot, hopefully. Woo! First challenge of the year, huh? We might have to go over that little, yeah, we're gonna have to hit it. We have to, we ain't got a choice, so this is tight across the street. Let's go. I might even have to put that even more. Let's see. Look at that. That's crazy. Nope. So we gotta go over that bump even more. We're really gonna have to cut it. Well, that was fun. So we backed it in, no problem. After I readjusted once and they just got the dock plate down, it was very easy. It was one shot. You have to run over right here. That's me right there, but then so many other trucks. We're about to get loaded, so that's good. And I hope everything fits because I think this was supposed to be a dry van load. Well, I'll not tell them that because we want to get loaded. Let's go. We got a little flat tire. It's always this tire. We got to tell boss man that we got something going on with that tire. Better keep the air pressure than not, you know? That's what I hate about these hoses, man. They're never break. Stupid thing, man. I think that's good. One way to find out. Time to supply air, see if it leaks. Let's see it. Yeah, I don't hear anything. Nice. I just checked this tire. It's set at 70 PSI. Man, that is not good. This thing's leaking air. It gets like this like after midweek or something. So let's get this thing back to 110 and we should be good. Let's see this. Damn. Ooh, she popped right out. That means she's good. All right, let's go. Go, 100. Is that 100? 105. I'll take it. Let's go. £21,000. Where is it? Right over there. Net weight, 21,000 pounds. We're gonna be flying through those mountains in West Virginia. We got loaded with some big racks. Let me show you actually right now. Let's go. Yeah, look at these things, man. Crazy big stuff. I don't know what this is. It looks kind of cool. Looks like they got a, you know, yeah, some electrical stuff they got to connect to this thing. They got like 10 of these, man. It's crazy. Luckily, it's all the way to the door, and reefer doors are actually kind of thick, so I don't even need to put anything on here. My load locks, they slid them right here underneath. But yeah, I think we're good. Close the doors and get the heck out of here. So it's nice, it's a light load, so let's go. Chisago City, Minnesota. Let's go. After we get fuel, I gotta get some fuel. Good morning, oh man, it's a beautiful day outside, dude. I don't know, I got some really good sleep. I mean, after New Year's and everything, I don't know what it is. It's like you get more tired than actually, you know, resting. It's like when you stay home to rest from trucking, I think you just rest from driving. I need to stop by a Walmart because I'm low on stuff. Grocery shopping done. At least we ain't gotta spend dollars and dollars on bottled water, man. I mean, for $6 you get like 35 bottles, dude. So, oh, dude, I'm out of breath. Sheesh. Mr. Beast chocolate bars. You gotta have them. Voila. Let's call it. Is this dude? Bro, I haven't talked to you all year. Yo, what up, homie?
Yo, what up, dog?
Dog, happy New Year's, man.
Happy New Year's.
Yeah, bro, dude, I haven't talked to you all year.
We've been busy. So damn busy.
Yo, I'm gonna get back talking to this fluffy guy over here, man, because we're just laughing for no stupid reason. Peace out. Trying to get this thing lined up, at least somewhat. I couldn't sleep last night, so oh, man, that ice stuff. Nice. Nice. Sweet. We made it, and look at that. They're already getting ready to get me empty because they already opened up the door. Sweet. What's going on, man?
How are you?
Good. Let's get this one. There you go. Got to get those low locks out. Then we got it back in. Let's do that. Man, this dock was actually pretty easy to back in. I just had to do it from my blind side. But let me show you something really quick. I know this doesn't look too bad, but all this right here, this is all ice. So while they're gonna unload, let's cook us some breakfast. Dude, real eggs just beats truck stop eggs. Every day, every time. Oh, hot.
All good to go.
All set?
Yep.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Perfect.
no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. There's a lot going on. Boss is trying to get me a load going home because our load that he got originally got canceled. No reason. It just says customer chose to run with another carrier. Bro, you know those are lies. You just wanted to give it cheaper. We're empty. We just got our paperwork brought to us. So it's time to get out of this dock, get out of these people's way. Yeah, let's go. Man, we empty. I'm hoping that the load works out, the one he's calling another one. And yeah, I'm wearing my headset over my hoodie. And that's because just in case my boss calls me back, I gotta pick up. Just heard the text message come in. I think my boss got me a load. We're gonna find out, and we gotta get out of the way because FedEx just pulled in the driveway and we gotta make room for him. Let's see. Was it the boss with the load? I think he got me a load because the broker just sent me a confirmation for tracking. So let's accept that tracking. Let's get out of this dock, and we got a G. Woo! Within the span of 10 minutes, and I love how that works out sometimes. Let's try to get out of here so we don't slide. Within the span of 10 minutes, guys, my boss got me a load right after my other one was canceled. And let me tell you something, it's way better than the one that got canceled. I'm pretty happy about it, and it's going home. So let's go, let's get the load. But guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. It's time for another one. See you guys next time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Peace out. Let's G.